Hello, my name is David Servan-Schreiber. I'm a physician and a scientist, and 17 years ago, I was diagnosed in my own brain scanning experiment with brain cancer. After the conventional treatments, one of the most difficult things for me was the kind of hopelessness I found myself in when I was told that there was nothing I could do to help myself with the disease beyond just bearing with treatments. I believe this is a major concern for most people who are told they have cancer today. I also believe that it is not right to tell them that, not scientifically right. As a physician and scientist, when I went to the scientific literature to look for everything I could do to help my body better resist cancer, I found that there were many things that were well documented in our very Western medical literature that I could learn to do to strengthen my natural defenses against the disease. Eventually, I wrote a book about it, and this is the book that probably brought you to this website. The book has sold more than 1 million copies, and it's now in more than 36 languages worldwide. However, I think we need to go beyond this. I believe that those strategies that help the body fight cancer need to be made available to most people who are in need of them. And I believe it should be part of how we treat every single patient as part of conventional Western medicine. In order to achieve this, we actually need to do more research. And we now have the opportunity to do this very research in one of the leading cancer research centers in the world at the MD Anderson Cancer Center of the University of Texas in Houston. Together with Dr. Lorenzo Cohen, who heads the program in Integrative Oncology at MD Anderson, and under the aegis of the president of MD Anderson, Dr. John Mendelsohn, one of the most respected oncologists in the world, we're in a position to start a large research program that will look at the recommendations that are in this book, in Anticancer, A New Way of Life, to demonstrate how beneficial they can be to help every patient with cancer strengthen their ability to fight the disease. Yet, because this is original and pioneering research, it is very difficult to get traditional funding to support this kind of work. For this innovative type of work, we need philanthropy. This is where we need you. There are two things that you can do to really help get this started. First, you can donate. Any small amount of money will go a long way to make this project happen at MD Anderson. Give $5 or $10,000 if you have that. But a small amount will make a big difference. The second thing you can do is share this video with your friends who may be able to help us with this research program. Now, if you think about it, the day an institution like MD Anderson carries out a project of this scope and demonstrates that the best care for cancer patients requires paying attention to lifestyle interventions that strengthen the natural ability of the body to fight cancer. The day this happens, then we can start together to change cancer care throughout academic centers in the United States, and from there, throughout cancer centers in the entire world. We are at the beginning of a tremendously exciting program. And you can be part of that if you come and join us by doing those two things, a small donation and sharing this video with your friends. So I hope that together we can, with MD Anderson, help make cancer history. Thanks for listening, and please come back to the site.